Hey, I'm Ryan with One of the Discovers, and today I'm going to show you how I upgraded my DS213J to the RS422 Plus. I've been meaning to upgrade this for a while, and I just wanted to share with you how easy it was to transition from one Synology product to another. I've been really happy with the RS422 Plus, and so check it out. So I got the new NAS running right here. Going to do a migration assistant plugged into the switch, and then there's the old NAS 213J. It'd be quite the upgrade. So I got my 213J here, the new RS422 Plus. It'll be nice to get this off the rack, especially since it has this power brick, which is just, you know, an odd place at the top. I had this like hanging on the side, so it'd be nice to get rid of that. And so we're gonna take the drives out of here and put them in here. So I just took the two screws off the back here, and this slides off. We got the two hard drives. It says to install them in the same order. So I'm gonna put 1 and 2 for 1 and 2 here. Just have to see where I can find the 1 and 2, which one's the right one. All right, so you can see here 1 and 2, and they're pretty much identical, but I'll put them anyway, 1 and 2, which I assume this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got the drives removed, secured in here with 4 screws for the 3.5. It also fits 2.5, different screw places. And got the first one in here and put the second one in there. All right, so we got to boot it up. Got the green lights for the hard drive and the status. Probably got to migrate it now. Cool, so once I got the drives in, it actually detected the conversion from the 213J. So now we can migrate. Then it asks if you want to retain system configurations. Yes. And then if you want to download the latest DSM package. Yes. Cool, now it's installing. And we are all set. Seems like everything's working fine. So we got it in the rack. I also thought I was gonna need an extender because it's pretty close back here. I might get like an angled adapter for this power cable, but I got it in. I moved everything up here, moved this up, that up, that up. Now this is on the top, so I don't have that shelf at the top anymore. So I hope this helps show you how easy it was to transition. Just swapped over the hard drives using the RS422 Plus now, and it's been working great for the past few months. Would highly recommend. I really just wanted something to go into the server rack and not have the chunky power supply brick with this one, as well as this was showing its age and it didn't even have a gigabit. So hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.